Let's follow a goods train and a lorry, both going from Rotterdam to Turin. The train will be stopped for long periods at 4 borders, even though in theory there are no internal borders in the European Union. The reason for these delays is essentially a technical one. The voltage of electrified rails differs from country to country. Moreover, there are a dozen different signalling systems in Europe. The permissible load on railway wagons also varies from one country to another. Legal requirements in terms of working practices can also be different. Certain countries require only one driver, others must have 2. The locomotive often has to be changed to suit different national networks, not to mention axles. The space between rails is different in Spain, Portugal and Finland compared to the rest of Europe. Finally, there are notable differences even at a purely administrative level. There's no standard train composition bulletin in European countries. This is what's called a lack of interoperability of railway networks. Europe's railways are divided into 15 separate systems, which are modelled on the national networks inherited from the past. Over the years, each system has developed its own regulations and its own technologies. Now these are holding up the free flow of transborder traffic. As a result, the reliability of a goods train is hardly likely to satisfy potential customers. When the train from Rotterdam arrives in Turin, the lorry is already on the way back. But the train is still a sustainable means of transport.